Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install YouTube TV on your Vizio Smart TV in 2025. Step 1. Turn on your Vizio TV and press the home button on your remote. Step 2. Go to the App Store or Vizio Smartcast apps section. Step 3. Use the search bar to type in YouTube TV. Step 4. Select the app and press install to add home. Step 5. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Step 6. You can now stream live channels and DVR content directly from your TV. If the app is not available, try casting from your phone using the Chromecast built-in. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.